Hello guys, I'm Tony. Today I want to share my opinion about why you have to learn the Chinese. Alright, so the first reason I think you have to learn Chinese is I think Chinese could be the one of the common language in the 21st century, and I think it's definitely for many reasons. And the one reason is because the people they make a business with the Chinese people, especially for the export and imports is quite frequent. So if you know how to speak the Chinese, that definitely will make your communication with your clients, with your suppliers, maybe for your partners, that will be more efficient. I don't know if your school, if you are still a student, I don't know if your school already put the Chinese as your like a requirement to graduate, or they providing the selective lessons for you to choose, and in order to make yourself more competitive in the prepare for the future. Alright, so the second reason is about the lifestyle. I mean, if you want to realize the different culture, and the people say if you know that language is like it can give you the second life, like the brand new lifestyle, to realize the different kind of culture. So for me, because my mother tongue is Chinese, so I prefer to learn the language is very different with my native language. So I choose Spanish because we know English is already a global language. So I think maybe if I can learn a third language, and that is very different with my original language, that must be very cool. For you, you must be the English speaker or European language speaker. So I think Chinese definitely is a very good choice for you to realize the different culture. Alright, so on the other words, I think it's just bring you a new uniqueness to yourself, make you to stand out from the crowds. Alright, so in other words, the third, I think the people get scared by the Chinese is because they are scared by the complicated, like a block-kind shape of the Chinese characters. But actually it's not true, because our ancestors make a Chinese characters for reasons, because is every Chinese character is come from the reality. So it's like a making picture. For example, this is a picture of the mountain, and this is our Chinese character for mountain. See, that's like a picture, right? And if you want to learn the Chinese, you still come back to the language learning process. It's everything from the listening, speaking, and reading and writing. So I still promote maybe you can back to the speaking as the first priority. In some way, I think the learning language is not that so difficult. Alright, so for the writing, and maybe you just can start up as the 200 words. I think 200 words, even up to the 500 words, it already can cover to the vocabulary for daily communication basis. Yeah, today we are not talking about you really need to be a professor or linguistics, any kind of expert. I just want to say I know that language. So if you don't push yourself so hard, step by step, I think learning a language is not that hard. Alright, that's my opinions. So if you like my video, just give me a big thumb up and give me the comment down below. And I also providing a free course. It's everything I upload on the YouTube. Everything I upload on the YouTube. So I put a link down below. Put my videos link down below, and you can go to check my comments down below. Everything is all there. So alright, so thank you for watching my video. I'm going to meet in my another video. Bye.